Hello YouTube family and welcome back to my channel for another unboxing, review and test. In today's video I have this Tefal OptiGrill intelligent grill with automatic sensor cooking, 2000 watts, manual mode, 3 specific automatic programs, digital screen, dishwasher safe and more cool features. So let's open the box to find out more about this product and how we can use it. Small cable length, only 1 meter, 80 centimeter. Manuals. And we have these stickers on different languages. I just love it, so many stickers. Very helpful. Nice. Glossy. Here we have the cooking plates. You can remove, just press this button. Very easy. Same in here, press this button. Nice. And it locks. That is a very easy process. Just love it. Plastic handle, metal here, metal in here, plastic and metal parts around, very durable. Trip tray at the front, just pull, remove and clean it. And of course, here at the front, we have the control panel. Let me show you how it works. At the control panel, we have the display, the on-off button, the OK start button, decreasing and increasing button. On P1, you can select this cooking program if you want to cook red meat. P2, if you want to cook burgers. P3, if you want to cook poultry. And P4, it is the manual program. Here, just press OK and you can adjust the temperature, maximum 270 degrees and the minimum 120 degrees. Let's say you want 230. OK, and you can adjust the time from 0 to 59 minutes. You want 35 minutes, press OK, and now you can start the cooking process. 230 degrees Celsius. And we can watch on the countdown. And of course, you can switch it off whenever you want. On again. Now, if you choose one of these programs by pressing the OK button, it's starting the preheat process, and it takes about 4 to 7 minutes. And again, you can stop. And here we have in the cooking levels, same in here. It will show at the display, yellow rare, orange medium well, and red well done. On again, and I will start with the meat, P1. Preheating. It needs to be close. After 5 minutes it is ready, we can see it's flashing, and you will hear a sound. The appliance automatically adjusts the cooking time and temperature according to the thickness and quantity of the food. It takes 50 seconds for the rare. The display shows the cooking time required until the desired cooking level. The indicator rare is flashing to indicate that the rare cooking level is in progress. A beep is heard and the indicator light comes on when the desired level of cooking is reached. If food is left in the grill, the timer continues until the food is well cooked. The light cooking indicator will blink until the level is reached. 1 minute and 50 seconds for the medium well. And 3 minutes and 50 seconds for the well done total cooking time. The well done indicator will become fixed and you will hear a beep once the level is reached. The remove the food indicator is displayed on the left of the screen. And it is ready! Open the appliance and remove the food once the desired cooking level has been reached. We can see at the trip tray everything goes there. Well done! Perfect. On again. P2 burger. Preheat. And it's ready. It takes 1 minute and 50 seconds for the rare. Three minutes and 7 seconds for the medium well. And total cooking time 5 minutes and 38 seconds for the well done. And it is ready. Nice and juicy. I like how everything goes at this strip tray. Nice and juicy. I like it. It tastes very well. And the cleaning, it is very easy. You can wash it under the water, ready for the next meal. I am especially impressed with the automatic cooking programs and the way the grill adjusts to the thickness of your food, plus cleaning up is a breeze thanks to the removable plates. The grill truly takes the guesswork out of cooking meal, fish and even vegetables. The combination of the automatic thickness sensor and the smart programs means you can achieve a perfect rare, medium or well done result every single time. It's powerful, heating up quickly thanks to that 2000 watts element, and the removable non-stick plates makes cleaning up almost effortless. If you want perfectly grilled food without constantly checking the temperature, the OptiGrill is the answer. The spacious cooking surface is ideal for family meals, and the angle design ensures that all excess fat drains cleanly into the drip tray. The dishwasher-safe plates save you a lot of time, plus features like manual mode give you the flexibility to cook recipes that aren't included in the presets. This appliance is built for daily, hassle-free use. If you enjoyed this video or found it helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you won't miss my next kitchen gadget review or cooking test. Thanks so much for watching, happy cooking, and I'll see you in the next one.